right, God bless you. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you one of the a very nice 736 chord Pastor Dr. Kevin Bond used in the song There's a question of love. You are God the love. Okay, so he used this 736 chord voicings that I learned some time ago and I like so much. You are God. So it goes like this. Let me sing another song. For you are great, you do me so great. All right, so something like that. So it goes. It's actually I just show you the basic chords. So it was in key of B flat. The song was in the key of B flat. All right. 7 chord. We have on left. You have A, E, and G. Right. On the right hand, he played around with the C sharp diminished 7 chord. Yeah, so can watch my video on hold and drop also. So on the 3 we have a major 3 on your left, something like that, and then on the right you have a 2 diminished 7 chord, major 2 diminished 7 chord. So or in this case that was C diminished 7 chord. So something like this. So you are God alone. Ba 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 God bless you. God bless you.